Hi, everyone. In this video, we will describe you the solutions to repair corrupt or damaged ODP files. Here is an standalone solution SysInfo OpenOffice Impress recovery software to recover deleted, corrupted, damaged ODP files. Let's you know the efficient features of the software. This tool is capable of efficiently recover unreadable data of corrupt ODP files. It restores deleted, corrupted and encrypted ODP files in an easy and efficient manner. Recover maximum slides from corrupt ODP file. This software can preview of all the recovered metadata from corrupt Impress files. Recovers images, animations, graphics, sound files, etc. from corrupt or damaged ODP file. Installation and recovery procedure. Now, let's learn how to run this software. First of all, download the software and launch it on your system. Go on the Select Files option and a new window will open showing the ODP files. Select the ODP files that you want to recover and click on Open to confirm the selection. In this step, you will see all the ODP files listed here. Now click on Repair button to start repairing the files. Now click on Browse to find out the location to save the recovered files. Select the location and click on OK. In the next step, click on Save to start the saving process. After the saving process is complete, click on OK. Now click on Exit button for closing the Impress recovery application. Click on OK to exit. Thank you for watching the video. For more such updates, subscribe the channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn. For any query, you can comment your questions on the comment section below.